Right. Cool. So I'm gonna be saying the truth here. I don't think I've ever analyzed anything related to the real market. If you know and you have been a consistent follower of this channel, you would have realized that all I used to analyze is synthetic indices, derivative synthetic indices, mainly jump indices, because I always love jump indices. They resonate with me. I'm I can read the charts very well, clearly, over other guys, or maybe some. You see videos online, you see that many people um, they analyze volatility index, volatility indices, maybe volatility 75, volatility 75 1s, and all this stuff there about. But I personally, I do not do that because I would never find success with volatility indices. That's just the truth. So even the boom indices, crash boom indices as well, I don't really find success with them as well. So if you realized, I some months ago, maybe 1 month ago or 2 months, I can't remember, I analyzed the boom 300 index. Actually, that trade didn't go as anticipated, so I just removed it from my part of my watch list and instrument that I'm going to be trading. So this, if you are looking at my console at the moment, you will realize that I only have jump indices, gold, step index, and um which I don't think probably going to even analyze anymore, the step index, and the US stock indices. Those are the things that I am trading right now. So I'm going to be telling you what I'm seeing on gold at the moment. Gold. Hmm. I've never analyzed the real markets before, because these are real markets. They are backed up by data, by financial analysis as well. They have their own financials as well. But our synthetic indices do not have financials. So I'm just going to be telling you what I am seeing on a monthly time frame for gold. Good. Cool. Now, what am I seeing on a monthly time frame? This guy, on a monthly time frame, we have seen a bearish engulfing candle here, indicating that at least probably some months to come, this guy is going to be going down. Maybe last month, which was May, and also this month. Maybe next month. I don't know. I don't know. However, we are going to be looking for selling opportunities, but I don't think this is a right and a good way to say that is a bearish engulfing candle, because this guy is up here, is a wick above this bearish engulfing candle. I didn't mean that the next candle here, which was a bullish candle, I didn't mean that it was able to close red. I would have said this is a nice and a good confirmed bearish engulfing candle. But since that didn't happen, I won't say it's something that you should really hold on to for much. However, since we have a bearish engulfing candle, we can still um leave that aside. We have to consider it, and that's the reason why I'm going to be considering sell opportunities for the gold this month. Cool. Let's go to our weekly time frame. There isn't much any stuff that I've done on this weekly time frame for our gold. There isn't much that we have done on gold here. So if you are saying gold, you are saying that there's always a break of structure, reversal, confirmation, break of structure, reversal, confirmation, break of structure, reversal, confirmation. So all these horizontal lines, this red horizontal line that you have seen that I've drawn, they are just places that I am thinking price is going to reverse to before it continue the move to the upside or to the uptrend. That's just my own analogy. It doesn't have to be right. I might be wrong, because um we have other traders on YouTube, and I used to watch their videos as well, just to see if what I am saying is what they are saying as well. But none of them have said anything related to that. That's good. might sell to any of these horizontal lines or any of the zones around this horizontal line. So that is my own. Now let's go to immediate something that we should be expecting. Initially, I was saying this place that price is going to move to this zone, this very small zone that was broken actually, because I realized that there was a zone here, a very small zone. Price came back to retest it and sold massively. I saw one of my friend who was able to catch this sell trade. Um, that was I think April also. Yes, he was able to sell this guy massively. I didn't sell actually then, even though I saw the analysis. I saw it because I was kind of a little bit scared. I've never done real live market in a very long time, because gold, the first time that I was trading gold, that was when I was starting to learn how to trade. So I really messed up my account. Then I funded I think $13. That was in 2021 or so. So on FBS market, I guess. So I blew that money. That was my first deposit into the market. And then I blew it with gold actually. I grew it back up with gold with some all these groups, um people that used to post their own what do we call it again? I've forgotten what we call it. They post what they are doing on their own trade, all these mentors. I grew it up with their video or with their own analysis, and I was able to blow the accounts back again with their analysis. So now I did good some months ago. I think that was 2 months ago or so. I was able to make money out of it. So that was the reason why I have to come back. And ever since then, my analysis on gold have been good. It always hits my TP, even though I did not take it. Because that was like, I think paper trading, or should we call it just a forward testing on a demo account. I saw that my trade were eating good. So that's the reason why I'm coming back to it, just to start trading it. Now, enough of the story. So what I am expecting that this guy is gonna do is, hopefully this guy is gonna come to this zone here. Price is gonna come to this zone here. Even though there was a zone here, there was a zone actually here, but price got there and just reversed. I wasn't happy with that. That was what happened last week. So, but I'm hoping that price is gonna come to this zone before we now sell. However, if price did not come back to that zone on a 1 hour time frame, I'm expecting to see a counter trend line that is going to be broken. And once that counter trend line is broken, candlestick confirmation on any of the time frame that I use, maybe 15 minutes time frame, hopefully we see a break, then I'm going to be selling this guy. That is what I'm just going to be doing. It's just not more than that. It's what I've been doing, the way my strategy has always been on synthetic indices. That's the same strategy that I'm going to be using as well on other kind of markets or other kind of instruments. So that's just basically what I have for you guys on gold. I know this is not much, but this is not deep analysis. It's just like more of the story of how I started trading, and also what I've done recently and what I'm hoping to do soon now. So that's just what I have for you guys. Sell analysis, and probably the sell is gonna come either from this zone here, which this rectangular um, lines that I've drawn, or we see our sell from this guy here, this zone that I have drawn out initially. So that's just what I have for you guys. If you like what you have seen, kindly share, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, turn on post notification bell. It will help us to reach out to with our data, with our algorithm on YouTube. So That's just what we have for you. Peace out.